Assalamu alaikum friends. This is Rashid and today I will tell you that how you can hack the chat of any friend. For example, here is my friend Mr. Naveed Majid. I will just open his chat and that message is concerned with Naveed. Okay, इतनी जल्दी check भी कर लिया. Then I will right click on it. From here I will go to inspect, right, and from here you can see that that message is here. I will double click on it, then I will change the message. How are you, Naveed? What are you doing? Then I will just change the message, enter and close that window. Now you can see here that how are you, Naveed? What are you doing? The message has been changed. So this is the way by which you can change the message, right? And then obviously I will go to I will just make a snap of this, right? So this is the snap. Then I will save that snap and I will forward that snap to Mr. Naveed and said him about regarding regarding that message, that what is the meaning of that message. You can change that message according to your requirement and according to your words, according to your perception, according to your thinking. That's what you want to do. So this is the way by which you can chat, by which you can hack the chat, by which you can edit the chat. So this is all for this, and inshallah in next one, inshallah we will work on different things, on different topics, on different criterias, different dimensions regarding Facebook. Okay, see you in the next one. Thank you.